In cable extrusion, higher speed doesn't automatically mean better performance. In fact, the faster the extrusion line runs, the harder it becomes to maintain consistent cable quality. Many people assume increasing output is simply a matter of using a larger extruder or installing a more powerful motor. The reality is far more complex. High-speed extrusion pushes both equipment and materials closer to their operating limits. First, there is temperature control. As screw speed increases, shear heat rises significantly. Without precise control, the polymer can degrade, affecting both product quality and process stability. Then comes melt pressure. At higher line speeds, pressure fluctuations become more difficult to manage. Even small variations can lead to inconsistent cable dimensions and reduced quality consistency. Cooling presents another challenge. If the cable is taken up before it is fully stabilized, deformation, surface defects, and dimensional variation can occur. That is why world-class high-speed extrusion lines are not defined by speed alone. Success depends on optimized screw and barrel design, smooth die flow channels, precise temperature control, and a process perfectly matched to the material being processed. In other words, high-speed production is a system-level challenge. At Singcheer, sensors are deployed throughout the entire production line to continuously monitor equipment performance and process condition. By precisely controlling temperature, payoff speed, and tension, we ensure stable sheath extrusion throughout production. Close coordination between the cooling and take-up systems helps maintain consistent cable quality from start to finish. Remember, extrusion speed gets the attention. Production stability delivers the results.